Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to mix your African black soap for a very dry one to a very moisturized one that you don't have to be worried at all. This trick is a game changer, guys. After washing this, you will enjoy using your black soap. So guys, for my black soap, I'm using this Dudu Osun. So this one is very popular too, and it's also good. So guys, you can also use the other one, any Africa soap you want. But this one I found that is available that I have, and that's why I'm using this. And this is how it looks like. You know, this is very solid, and it can be very dry. So please don't use it like that on your face. It will spoil your face and you will not like it at all, because I've tried it and it's very dry, and especially for people that have dry skin. So if you have dry skin, please don't use this on your soap except you do this step that I'm going to show you now. So guys, the first thing I will do is to go ahead and grate the soap. So since it's solid, you can't use it, you can't dissolve it like so. So for you to dissolve it quicker, you can either grate it like this method I'm using, or you can just use a knife to cut it into some pieces. So with this, you'll be able to work with and it will dissolve with time. So that's why I'm following this step. It's very easy. You don't have to stress yourself. You just need is your grater. Just grate it with patience and like so. So this is how it will looks like. So I'm using the whole of this soap anyway. So the one I've created is much. Then I'll just go ahead and put it in a bowl and then continue with the other half. So guys, I'll just continue the same process until everything is well blended. So guys, black soap is very good for your skin, in case you don't know, or you might know or might not. So guys, black soap contains antibacterial properties. It also have anti-fungals which help to fight fungus in your skin, and it also help in treatment acne. So it help in treating acne very well, and it also help with fine lines. You know those fine lines on your face, it helps a lot, and also it reduce the appearance of dark spot. So guys, if you have dark spot, or you are fighting dark spot, just try this method. This will even help it more, because the later on step, or the later on oil I will add, will even make it will even speeding up the process. And also, black soap help in makeup remover. It have a potential moisturizing effect, and it also is a natural exfoliating, and it help in lighten your skin. So guys, black soap is very important, it's very good. So this, if you have underestimated this black soap for a very long time because it's not Oyibo thing, please stop it and start giving it attention. So guys, this is how it is after blending everything. Then I will just transfer it into a bigger bowl. Sorry that my voice is this way, because my child is sleeping. If I talk too loud in my wake up, I don't want to disturb her. So guys, after transferring to a bigger bowl, I'll just go ahead and add the rest things that will make it more moisturizing. And what I'm adding is oils. I'm adding a lot of oil, and then I will start with this oil I'm adding is all DIYs. So guys, I will start with my aloe vera oil, and I will add 2 to 3 spoons of tablespoon of oil. Then I will just go ahead and add my turmeric oil. So this turmeric oil, everything is available on my channel, so make sure to check them out. Then I will add my carrot oil. So this will really help to moisturize and to lighten up your skin. And don't be afraid that it's going to dry your skin, because after trying this, you will love to use the black soap more. No, this black soap, I use it a lot back then in Nigeria, but I underestimate it a lot because it's not Oyibo thing like I mentioned earlier. Then I'll just go ahead and add my glycerin. So this glycerin will even add more moisture to it, and it also serve as a preservation during those times that I will use it. Then after on, I will also add some honey, which I forgot to show in the video. I add 2 tablespoons of honey to it, and also add extra virgin olive oil. So these are the oil I add, and then I'll just go ahead to add some scent and some of the essential oil So I add about 3 to 4 essential oil to it. Depend on you. You can add any essential oil you have. So guys, that is it. I just add all the essential oil and I'm adding it in a drop. I add about 5 to 7 drops each of the essential oil. So guys, I really love essential oil a lot. If you have been watching my DIYs, you will know that, oh, I love it a lot and I don't miss it in my DIYs. But oil for my hair, for my skin, I always add them to it because it gives me that vibes of essential oil anyway. So guys, after that I'll just go ahead and add water. And guys, take note of this, the water I add is a bit too much, but if you can add less of the water because I didn't measure the water anyway. And then I'll just go ahead and stir it together. I will mix it well till everything is well combined and well incorporated before leaving it in my room temperature. So guys, this is how it is. You can see all the chunks of the black soap that I grated. So guys, like so, mix up and everything is well incorporated into each other. You can see the color because of the turmeric oil. And guys, take note of this, if you don't have turmeric oil, you can add turmeric powder. So take note of that, turmeric oil or turmeric powder. Because I have turmeric oil, that's why I don't add turmeric powder. So take note of this. Then after that, I'll just go ahead and cover it with my plastic bag with my film, so and leave it in a room temperature for it to melt very well and everything. And this process, everything will be well incorporated into the black soap. So I'll just leave it overnight. So guys, this is the soap the next day. You can see how well the black soap absorbed all of the water and the oil and it's well melted. Guys, this is so good. You won't believe you won't believe how it works well. Like when I used it, I never thought that I'm using black soap that is very dry. So guys, it's very moisturizing and it make my face firm, like it's sorting out my skin a lot because it's really good. So guys, I'll just go ahead and stir it together again for the second time. So this is how it is. You can see it's not too runny, it's not too thick like the previous one. So guys, this is how it is. You can just use it, you can start using it because at this point it's ready. Is ready, guys. And this soap that you just mix, you can use it on your face and you can also use it as a bath soap. I use the two anyway and I really love it. I can't lie at this point and I'm not going to lie. I love the soap a lot. I love it. You understand, I really like it and it helped my skin recently, and I will advise that you try. Just go to your next Africa shop and get Dudu Osun and then use it. This black soap is a must try. You don't want to joke with this, especially if you are fighting acne and dark spots. So try this. So I just transfer it to my storage bottle. So guys, you can use a jar, but I just decided to use this one so that it will be easy for me to press if I want to use it in the shower. And then I just go ahead and add sticker because I might keep it in somewhere that someone might thought is something is eatable. That's why I just add the sticker. This method is optional. I'm just showing you and then put it to it so that whenever someone sees it, you will know that, oh, this is not edible, this is black soap. So that's why I did this method. So guys, you can see how beautiful and gorgeous it is. So I just go ahead and try it on my hand to see how foamy it is, how well it really moisturize my skin. I just wet my hand and then drop a little on my palm and then rub it together. I'm just showing you that the oil or any other thing will not stop the foaming and it's really good. You can see your black soap, your Dudu Osun. You can see how I transformed it into this. So guys, make sure to try this out. Make sure to try it and you will not regret it, guys. So I just went ahead and turned the rest into a small can. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friend. It might be of help to someone, and give this video a big thumbs up. So guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.